This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Looking for a place to park your RV or tent camp? You've found it. This unrestricted property already has a well, 3-bed septic system installed, and large building pad gravelled for your RV and power hookups, 50,30,20. BRMEMC fiber optic high-speed internet is also available. There's even a semicircle driveway, if you want to use it. In a nice subdivision just off a state-maintained road. Only minutes to downtown Murphy and a few more minutes to Blue Ridge, Georgia. Whitewater rafting, hiking, horseback riding are all nearby, as well as Harrah's Valley River Casino. Won't last long at this price. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Robinson at 86